You guys raised $7,875. $10,640.
$12,900.
Dang.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tote. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. You are watching 12 DIYs of Giveaways, which is my annual fundraiser for Christ Hope International. We have been able to raise over $30,000 for them, and I am so excited to see what we can add to that number this year. For the next 12 days, we're gonna be doing gift ideas. Log those down in the description for each category. So check that out. And with that, let's get going on some gift ideas for your loved one. All right, let's talk about some gift ideas for baby. And I am pairing baby and new mom because let me tell you, that baby, everything you buy for that baby is really to make mom's life easier or dad's life easier. But I really love gifting things to baby and mom together, and I also love pairing fun gift sets for baby, mom, siblings, possibly dad if it's something that works out for dad. But onesies, so you make a custom onesie, like a onesie based around a theme, and then you theme everybody else off of it. So you make mom a shirt, you make big sister a shirt, big brother a shirt, little brother a shirt. How does that work? Making little elements that the whole family can have based around the baby's onesie and making it into a little kit. I did it with Winnie the Pooh and I did it with Hercules, and I'm gonna be creating some fun designs that are really cute based around the characters for anybody who loves certain things. So accessory baskets and name their name on the basket. So I love gifting in things that are usable and a part of the gift. I actually have a gift basket idea video, a part of this 12 series, so check that out for ideas to put all your gifts in. But creating a basket or a bin or something that's gonna work for the nursery or for the car caddy or something that's gonna be helpful to when you have a baby, and then adding their name onto it. And I have a bunch on Amazon that you can shop through for different things, and they're all easily DIY-able. Toy bins and then adding the name to them. That's kind of the same concept, but specifically sizes that fit anything that they're planning to keep baby toys in. Again, communicate with the mom on like, what do you actually need? Is there something I can buy that will be helpful for the nursery? And then turning that into like the basket or the gift basket. OB wrap, I have been making these for a while and I really, really love them. I added some jersey fabric on Amazon for you guys that you can purchase. And I believe it's in 10 yards and you really only need like 7 yards. But if you buy 10 yards, you get 2 Moby wraps because you basically cut it in half. So if you have more than one baby coming into your life or you want to gift a set, you just get 2 out of every time you purchase one, so you could save it for the next baby being born. But you need a way to mark the center of the Moby wrap, so that's where the DIY element comes in. You can heat transfer vinyl on the initials or a monogram, and personally I did this, but then I realized most people hand their baby stuff off to the next baby in line because it's easier to do that. So putting something that's cute, like just a little heart or a little clover or something that goes along the theme of whatever they like. The diaper bag with the essentials. My sister got me this when Landis was born, and I just was not a good gift giver at that time, and I just was like mind blown on like, wow, you used the diaper bag as the packaging, like, which is what inspired me to create the packaging video. So watch it if you are interested in this. And it's fun to hide little things inside of the bag, and you can do all the essentials. And one of the things I do when I'm going to a baby shower is I look at the registry, and if like all the big things are already purchased, I try to get all the essentials as like one gift. And so it's like, okay, but here's all the essentials you're actually gonna need, and then throw in some things that like you're like, but here's what you're really gonna need, and then throwing in something cute for mom, like, and then here's a gift card. This one used for baby stuff, use this one for yourself. It is such a blessing to be at a stage of life where gifting, like, you know how much mothers need and feel just burdened and neglected and used. it's just such a hard season of life that like anytime I can be like, let me hold baby, let me go with you so that I can carry bags or whatever. Like you can gift your time and your volunteering to that mom, but also pair it with like, but I got you a pedicure. So I've got you a pedicure and I am going to sit at or walk around the pedicure place for 45 minutes with the stroller, and I'm right here. Baby's not going anywhere. It's just one of those things. I've definitely done it before. Mommy and me robes. I love this. They have them on Amazon, but you can get the baby robe and the mommy robe. You can get dad a robe too, and big sister, big brother, not little sister. We already established that. There are no little sisters in the mix when baby comes in. A mama bag and fill the mama bag up, meaning like a cute bag, not a diaper bag, but like a tote bag, and then filling it with things for the mom. A sprocket. I have added the sprocket to a lot of the gift ideas because we've been using ours for 3 years now and we're obsessed with it. New moms love taking pictures of their new babies. Like they just love it. We all love taking pictures of our babies, and if you can print them easily for somebody quickly, or they want to make a little gift for somebody with a picture of the baby, they can use the sprocket, but then also get them the sprocket refills, because that is the part that gets kind of expensive, but you can gift that to somebody and help them out by giving them like 20 sheets already, so then they just have to buy refills after they've used it. Utility tote. I swear by my utility tote. This is the one on Amazon. I've not been able to find the utility tote that my aunt gave me. My aunt bought this one and I take it to and from the studio every single day. I load all my bags, all my purses, anything I need to take back home in this tote, but I'm gonna buy a couple more from Amazon because they're just like so sturdy and they're just the best thing ever. So you'll see the utility tote in a couple of videos because I feel like it's like a necessity for a lot of people, but add some cute heat transfer vinyl to it. And a measuring board, and these can be done with a laser cutter Glowforge, or they can be done with a Cricut, and I've done both and I love both. I personally love the Glowforge one more because it's just a little elevated, but all are cute. And you can use stencils, stencil and paint, or you can actually use vinyl, but you just need a fence board and then you just need the pieces and you're good to go. See you guys in the next video. If you have not donated to the CHI fundraiser, there are links in the description. You can donate and you'll be entered for one of our 12 amazing prizes donated by awesome sponsors and things that I have come up with that I think you guys need in your life. And that's it. I love you guys.